People don't necessarily consume data in the same way. NLG becomes critical because the analysts can scale their expertise. My name is Adam Smith and I'm COO of Automated Insights. Up until today, the only way to communicate around vast swaths of data is with a big dashboard. The problem is anytime you put a dashboard in front of somebody, you're hoping they interpret it the same way you do. By applying natural language generation to it, you can essentially tell a story exactly to that person in a role-based way, based on what's important to them, based on what their KPIs are, and give them a guide of how to turn that data into action. There are big platforms in the BI space that have spent years growing up and helping people act off data and building these vast customer bases where they're trying to empower people off of data, and they're doing it. People are excited to understand more about what's going on in their business and to improve that business utilizing data. And so it's a natural progression for us to start to partner with those customers to say, you have the same mission we do. You're trying to empower people with data, you're trying to help them perform better with data, and we're trying to make data make sense as well. And so when you pair that visual analytics with written analytics, it becomes an extremely powerful tool, and the two work really, really well together. Only 30% of the enterprise has access to data or actually acts on it. And so there's this big well of 70% of people that you're spending all this money on BI, all this money on data, that aren't then using that data to improve their performance or understand what's going on. And part of the problem there is just reaching them in a way that they can quickly digest and act upon. And that's where when you combine a visual analytics platform with NLG, it becomes super exciting, right? And the platforms have made it easier and easier for us to actually publish and work with them. And that enables us to help them reach more and more of those enterprises